are you? So today I'm doing a review on the MADDIE Ziegler, I don't know how to say her name, the Imagination palette. So this is what it looks like. Let me take it out of the box. So it looks like this, and these are the colors right here. And I'll put the swatches for you right over here. Butterfly Fantasy, Maddie Girl, M3, To the Moon and Back, Godmom, Crushed, Angel, Latte, Kenny, Dancing Queen, Like Butter, 5, She Insists, Mint, Godfather, ASAP, Go Home, Posse, Pantera. And if you want to see how I created this lip with this palette, then just watch it. Let's see what I can figure out. Let me just prime my lips first. I'm gonna just use this e.l.f. Camo Concealer. Okay, fabulous. I'm gonna first take this shade here, She Insists. And I'm taking this Morphe M506 brush. I'm gonna put it here in the corner of my eye. Right here. I'm impressed because usually with pastel colors, they come out really sheer, but these are actually coming out really pigmented and bright. Yes, go girl. I'm just curving it right around my eye, and then I'm gonna blend it all out just like this. And then what I like to do is, because I like to bring out my eyeshadow, so I just flick it this way like that. So it's more like with the other eye. After the 2 Morphe palettes that I got, I was giving up hope. But this palette is actually impressing me. It's impressing me. So what next is I want to build that purple up. So I'm going to go in with this color, Posse. And I'm going to just take this Peaches and Cream PC22 brush, which is stained completely blue. I want to deepen the color on the edge of my eye there. This color's fighting for its life. You don't want to go there. No broken hearted girl. Okay, so I'm gonna just take this Morphe. I got it in a set, all I want set. Gonna try with that color again. Pack on that pigment. And let's see if it works. Like when I touch it with my finger, look how pigmented that comes out. And even on the brush when I do this, I think if I had like a clean base, it would go on good, but it's not building on top of the other eyeshadow. It's struggling. Like this is just turning into a mess. You're supposed to be good. Bruh, I feel like I'm rubbing my eye off, but it's getting there slowly. I think if this was a matte shade, it would have gone on nice. Build, will ya? There you go, it's coming together. Hee hee. Whew, okay. I'm gonna just take that old brush, the other Morphe one, M506, with that lilac shade, and I'm just gonna blend them together up here. We're getting there, baby. We're blending it. I'm gonna take this Sigma E36 brush, and I'm just gonna blend out the edges to make sure it's nice and seamless. Didn't plan for it to go out that far, but it's okay. I think the matte shades in this palette blend so nice. Wow! feel like the top layer of the eyeshadow needed to be worked into on that possy color, that dark purple, because I feel like it's slowly starting to blend better. Lovely. So I'm going to take the shade Dancing Queen. Dancing Queen, young and... I'm getting rid of that top layer of the eyeshadow because clearly they ain't working. And then I'm taking this Morphe M152 brush. I'm gonna just place it right here on the inner part of the eye where I haven't put any shadow yet. Okay, once I've done that, I've put on the pink, it's like a glittery, shimmery colour. I don't even know if you can see it in the camera. And then I'm gonna go back in with that dark purple shade Posse just to enhance that, where I've blend this all together nicely. So you should be ending up with something like this. I'm going to take this PC39 Peaches and Cream brush and I'm going to take the shade Like Butter, which is this little yellow number. Then I'm going to place it on the inner corner of my eye. This yellow has a lot of fallout. Ooh. But it is pigmented. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go finish the rest of my makeup off camera real quick. And then I'll finish the under part of my eyes. And then I'll give you my final thoughts on this palette. Okay, so I have finished my skin, put some lashes on. My eyes are sticking together. Let me do the bottom part of my eyeshadow. I'm going to take a smudge brush, just like a small one like this. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take back that lilac color, the She Insists. And I'm going to just place it in the center of my eye. I'm going to just blend it right into that smoky purple. So it's all nice together. Let's take that color Posse. Just place it over that in the edge. Like I made a difference. And then I'm just going to take back my E36 brush and then just make sure everything is blended nicely. Should I put a bit of blue in there? Should we put a little blue? Should we a little yellow? I'm going to take the tiniest bit of blue. So I'm going to take the color 5, which is just this one here, and I'm going to just place it right in the center. Just so it adds like a little color, a little... It actually looks quite cute together actually. And then just smoke it out into that lilac. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to just go back into that yellow shade, Like Butter, and just enhance this yellow color in the corner. Like so. Super cute. Let me put some mascara on. And that is the final look. Let's get into my thoughts on this palette. Firstly, I think it's great. I feel like the colors are so versatile. You can create a simple nude brown smoky. You can add a little zhuzh up and add a gold or a bronze. You can add a shimmer. There's also blacks, there's dark colors here which you could make if you want to have like a night look, a day look. There's even a pastel color for a nice little summer look. I feel like it's such a great versatile palette. So you can't really go wrong there. You can create millions of looks with it. The colors are super pigmented, super buttery, really soft and smooth shadows, which is great. They blend out really nice. That purple was a bit of a fight to add the pigment in, but I feel like it was just the top layer that if I scrape the top layer off, it started blending out really nicely after. I don't have any issues with it. It's so cute. I love the colors, especially the pastel colors. It's like perfect for summer. It's a good palette. I'm impressed. I like it. So also part of the same collection, there was a stick highlighter, and then there was 3 different shades in a cheek and lip mousse and a gloss. So if you want to treat yourself, honey, because it's a good one. That's that. I hope you enjoyed my review. 8 out of 10. See ya. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.